Software Spring. Presents. How to use let in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the let function. Let's begin by taking a look at the topics of the tutorial. Intro to let function. Syntax and example of let. How to use let. Quick review. Intro to let function. Alright, here's a quick look at the syntax of the let function. Let returns value, evaluated by formula expression. Let enables to assign result of value expression to a name. Let evaluates value expression only once. A name can be used many times in formula without affecting speed of calculations. Let makes it easier to understand the formula. Syntax and example of let. Here is the syntax of the function. Let's look at an example. Name1 is a variable. Value expression 1 is a formula whose result is assigned to name1. That is, the result of sum is assigned to the name amount. Name2, value expression 2 are optional. The value 12% is assigned to the name tax. Formula expression is a formula, the result of which is returned by the function. That is, the sum of amount and tax is the result returned by let. How to use let. Okay, let's get started by first stating the objectives of using let. To determine whether sales target is met, using IFS function. To determine whether sales target is met, using IFS and let. Total sales is calculated by adding sales in Q1 to Q4 using sum function for each sales agent. Then, the result of sum function is checked against a value to find out if sales target is met. Alright, here's the syntax of the IFS function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, IF, and select IFS. Type the conditions and values. Here is the final formula. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. Now, we will use the let IFS combo formula. Type the equal to symbol, LE, and select let. For name1, type, for example, total sales, and type comma. For value expression 1, type the sum function, specifying this range as the argument, and type comma. For formula expression, I will copy-paste the IFS function formula I typed before. Type the closing parenthesis. Here is the final formula. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. The results are the same. However, in the IFS formula, there are 3 instances of the sum function. This redundancy may affect performance. In contrast, the let function uses sum function only once. Further, the name total sales makes the formula easier to understand. Quick review. The let function formula is: let function returns the result of formula expression. Value expression is calculated only once. Name is equal to value expression, and name can be called multiple times without affecting performance. Names in let function formula can make it more readable. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.